In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the ATNUC framework to generate more sales for your business. This framework is responsible for generating hundreds of thousands of dollars for my business and for the business of everyone I've ever taught this framework. This is the exact framework that is currently used by amazing internet entrepreneurs to close a lot of sales faster. Most people in business today ideally use this framework, but understanding how the framework works fully can help you leverage on the power of 10xing your system or your sales process right after watching this video. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to use this framework. First of all, what is ATNUC framework? It's spelled as ATNUC. AT means attraction, NU means nurturing, and C means closing. You attract, you nurture, and you close. This is the three-step framework that helps you increase your sales completely. But let's talk about it in the order of arrangement in quotes. First step is attract, AT. To attract a lead means that you set up an awareness system that will tell people about your product, your service, the solution you are offering, and then separate them from the crowd. Of course, there is multitude of people out there. You want to isolate these people that are really your customers and bring them to it, knowing that you do XYZ stuff and this is how your business works. And when you solve that part of the problem first, what you've done is that you've brought them one step closer to yourself. And now when you have them, what it means that you must contact with them. That means at this phase of attraction, your primary objective is to collect their full name, email address, and phone number. And after you've done that, the next needs to nurture these people. And how do you nurture them? By following them up with messages, informations that would help prepare them to take action, because people need to be prepared to take action of buying your product. So you can create a 5-step messaging that will go morning and evening every of those days in between to get them qualified for your product, or it could even be a content that would inform and educate them. And amazingly, you can actually do all of this with one simple tool. For example, using Salesforce software, you can actually create a Salesforce form that you can use to collect leads of your prospects who have interest on your product. When you make a post on social media, you put the link to where the form is on your website. They fill that form and you collect all of their data in your Salesforce account. Now, when you have all of this in your Salesforce account, what you can now do at this phase is that you can now nurture them on Salesforce using the WhatsApp marketing and email marketing feature. And with this collectively and of course bulk SMS feature, you can reach these people across different channels, and it makes it very easy and interesting. And then it is very also easy for you to now close them on your products and your services. And amazingly, for me as an internet marketer, the single tool that helps me do this with super ease, I mean literally almost everything is done in one place with just a few clicks, is Salesforce.com. So try out www.salesforce.com today. Use it to set up your entire marketing process using the ATNUC framework, and then see how it's going to transform your entire sales process. See you next time.